cooking chef, man. Like, the simplest thing ever.
How to make it so you gone. Yeah, last man.
You guys want burger?
She grabbed it.
Yeah, last man.
There's hot dog. You want a hot dog?
What up, guys? Happy Saturday. The board is finally here, so we're actually doing a lot of cooking, you know, entertaining. What about maybe 50, 60 people from New York, Florida, Tampa, West Palm, everywhere, Orlando, Kissimmee, wherever they're coming from to have fun with us today, guys. Hopefully you know some of these people. So we got some goat curry while I'm doing the fried fish, and try to make the best of this party. So we're gonna have a lot of fun today. Kids actually enjoying their little water sport. So enjoy, guys, the next vlog in West Palm Beach. Have fun, guys, on my new video. Coming into the party, guys. Look at that. A little water sport going on for the kids. You know, it's kids' party, so they have to love. You gotta make the kids happy, you know. Nice little backyard. I'll take you guys, show you some stuff. What's going on there? Set up a game for the kids then, look at it. Nice. Air bubbles, everything, guys. Gonna be nice, gonna be nice. Food. More food, guys. Oh, take that up. Rice. There's some cassava. Cassava ba? Kasi oh, more cassava. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Thank you. Nice roti. Nice. Oh, this is nice. It's like a cassava ball with meat inside. Some chow here. Trini style. Look at the cassava. Wow. Today is eating day. Nice sauce. Sour. Palawi. Man, never do them thing I watch. Yeah, that chicken bite. What? Nice time. Take time to bring this time.
You bring this?
Yeah. I'm making my own little barbecue today. Setting up this here now. Right here. Here the barbecue man for the day.
You got to take a with a pepper and the plate and
Yeah, see it go there? Put the juice there. Alright, top you up there. Nice. We got the grill coming up there soon. Chicken will be next. I try it good. It's both still bad.
Eat already?
Yeah. Hey, better put some food in your belly, bye.
Look at your body, man. I gotta put some more seasoning on the chicken, man. You look like you got any seasoning on it. Max did it.
You got more season inside there, or you want more season inside? You got season inside.
Oh yeah, there's no color on there.
Yeah, you got
I already washed my hands.
season up that nice there.
Lokanani, we got none lock here much. That tastes like your fish, you know? Yeah, sweet fish. Wait the fish in? What the fish in?
Black drum.
Black drum. You Ah, kaya na. Yeah. Well,
What you say, guys?
What do you say?
They say, wake up the dead
Wake up the dead.
from the living.
Ceiling.
What's that there, buddy? What's that?
That's it. Good chef. Good chef.
We got some small bowl too, you know? Them big people. Look at that bowl. We call them bees. You want? We got some small one for the customers, but we need the big ones. We don't have the big bowl. You don't follow this here now? What do we think? What is it? Richmond.
Almost done.
Everything inside here is inside it, guys. You see it? Fiber, leaf. Kind leaf. You can't stop me making this. Thing. So everybody come here today for the revival day. Last day, ending the show. Doing a big brass. Spectators, eat man, swallow man, everybody get here. Making a selfie. Going selfie to this side of town. We not this yet, but we can go inside or we will capture this selfie for Harry. One drive going on here. See what I'm saying? That's how we do it, guys. West Palm Beach. Nice. Ooh, that's steam. Yeah. Spectators. Kids in the pool. You want to be on YouTube? Putting you on YouTube. Alright, guys. Party continue. Having a selfish now. Get turn up here. Perfect. What a big guys. Earlier. Wrap this up, wrap it up. Really big.
Look at that one. Look at all those colors.
All that seasoning in there, that pepper going on there. All this red seasoning. Those are big. That's nice and brown, I like that. That's all I like. Going on here. What? I like that gold brown. That's meeting. What's this? Why? Now the Isle hat is the best part of the day. Alright, this one up quick. Nice. Yeah. Check this out. What's this for?
Yes, good.
Yeah. Oh, the Isle is perfect now, you know?
But the
Yeah,
right.
right in the spot.
I won't tell.
Please. Then I lose the whole thing.
Yeah, nice and brown now, you know, like brownish. And that's where it's come from, really. Right. If I had a bake like this is the bake. This is professional chef food. Saltfish and bacon. Nice. That's So it calls 12 big. What like you want? Ay, okay, I'm wrong. Asli dark about piece of that. Today we got a good birthday party coming up, so we're gonna fry, enjoy the day with a beautiful fried fish. Little fried fish. Can't stop me from frying fish. Bad in this. That is going on. Watch is going to start by 2 o'clock. About 12 now. So stay tuned, guys. Guys. Frying some fish today. Fish. Beautiful. That's not that. Kung kaya na ano yun. Wood curry, guys. To the body day. Roll some nice food today, guys. You see all the food making nice food. You guys pile up here now. Eating. Para mo yung fried fish. That's what I know. Set up the place for his party. Kids down there, ready to bathe, showering, getting wily. Beautiful, guys. We got great weather. That'll back up, maybe rain today. So we set up a tent. See if the day the rain comes up. The fried fish section. Huh?
See what they Lucy?
Yep. Oh, I got a lot of water. That's why I buy up the now. I got the spices going on in your bag. See guys, I like to cut my red snapper. It's the best way to do fry it. So the eye gets to go inside. So it's beautiful brown, golden look. Cut it, oil goes inside. Fried fishy. Alright, it's good there. Onion. Alright, look at that.
So when you're done with the rest, we're gonna.
I'm gonna put the rest of it up.
Yeah, we put them this side.
I'm gonna take all these sets here and put them. Fuck, you getting serious? What you got on here?
The simplest thing, right? Chef Man, like, the simplest thing in the
I want to make it so you gone. Yeah, last man.
You guys want burger?
I agree, she got that.
Yeah, last man.
There's hot dogs. You want a hot dog?
Try to get busy, guys. Look, everybody's here. Everybody's here. Looking good, looking good. Getting ready for his birthday. It's a big birthday. Outside, inside, full. Capture every part of this party. Keep playing over there. And plenty of food, guys. Try to get some food inside, showing you what's going on. Okay, section here, guys. Spider-Man. Water boy got his little crew here.
Hey, you
Hey.
Okay, very nice.